Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the MacBook Air. I got this for a birthday present for my dad. I know it's a little bit older technically. It's still new, but I was gonna get the Pro, but I'm pretty sure the new Pro ones are gonna come out, so I'll just wait for that one to come out and then upgrade him on that. And then I'll probably just keep this one later on. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so this is the MacBook Air here, base model, 8 gigs, 256 SSD, pull tab here. Very satisfying. I woke up early just to get it because had to wake up to make it delivered and see the reaction. So it's indeed an time for upgrade. Dang, this is thick cardboard. So this is the MacBook Air. It's very small. I'm very surprised on how small it is. Hold on, let me zoom out for you. So there's two Type-C, and then on the other side, it's just a headphone jack. That's literally all the ports. So little. And then right here, we have a Type-C to Type-C cable. I'm pretty sure it's like 6 feet, maybe 8, 10, I'm not too sure. Pretty cool on that. And then we have a power adapter. That's nice. And folding prongs too. And then right here you have a little pamphlet. Any Apple stickers? Oh, we do. Oh, nice. I got the space gray. I forgot to say that. Looks really amazing. I'll probably do some B-roll of it like being open because I don't want to open it up yet. I want my dad to open it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's super thin, very lightweight. It's a little heavier than the laptop I have right now. Acer Swift 3, sorry. This one, way more powerful. Because the M1, I don't care what you say. The M1 is one of the fastest chips on the market right now. Like, I'm very surprised. Or I've seen a Ryzen 9 5900X full power compete against this, like in real life. It's insane on how good this processor is. It's better than most, and it's good for editing. Or not good, it's the best for editing. I render my 4K videos in so little time. I could render a 10-minute video in 6 minutes. It's insanely good. So yeah, MacBook Air. Thank you for watching.